What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain E3E once again with another aircraft review. You are staring at a U.S. Airways Boeing 737-300 in the scale 1/500 by skymarks. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. Begin with the stack ports and PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Now I'm going to take you on the aircraft. First, starting at the L1 door. U.S. Airways was a member of Star Alliance, now belong to One World after their merger with American Airlines. The old U.S. Airways livery on the 737-300. Come on the wings. Nice shot of the aircraft. The registration of this aircraft. The old U.S. Airways livery on the tail. Now I'm going to take you to the APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes, and the horizontal stabilizer right there. Then on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The old U.S. Airways livery. Come up. Very nicely detailed by skymarks. Two Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. Up towards the galley and the cockpit. And that's it. U.S. Airways used the 737-300 up until about 2013. And that's when U.S. Airways and American Airlines merged. And sad to say today, this aircraft right here is no longer, is no longer flying today for U.S. Airways. The aircraft has since been retired from active use. So that's it for this aircraft review. I just would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the Airport Lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.